Okay, my swimming history. I'm gonna do this one from memory. Hello there, squirrely. We're in the backyard. It might get a little noisy. The crunching is the squirrels. Okay, so let's dig it. Innis Arden Swim Team. 1999 to 2010. So I was 6 to 17 years old. This is Shoreline, Washington State. And in this time range, was part of 2 other swim teams. So this is a summer swim team, which means we just started practice in the spring and competed swim meets through the summer. Up next we have Excel. Swim. It's a club team. What does that mean? It's year round. And I was 10 years old. So that was year round. And I was 10. I just did it 1 year. It cost a lot of money. And it's a big time commitment. And it was in Seattle. And so there was a bit of a commute. And I was 10. So then I had to do it with some friends. And I had to coordinate carpools with my mom. And so it required a lot of effort. So that was just 1 year. And then we have high school swimming, so Shorewood. Yeah, doing a good job on spelling. Shorewood High School girls swim and dive, and that was 2006 to 2010. So I was 14 to 17 years old. And this is Shorewood High School in Shoreline, Washington State. I lettered all 4 years. Got some squirrelies. Hello, Sparrow. Want a peanut? Here you go. Hi, Sparrow. Did you find it? Yep. I love you too, Squirrely. This is Shorewood High School. So 2010 is when I graduated, so both Innis Arden and Shorewood High School swimming took me through. And this was a fall sport. And we'd start practices in the summer. By like actual summer dates. And then, let's see, after that, 2 more. University of Washington. This is in Seattle, Washington. Husky Masters Swim Team. It was even announced in a bulletin that I joined the chain. I was a new member. And that was roughly 2010. Why do I keep doing this? 2011. And I was 18 to 19 years old. This is a master's team is different than a swim team through a school. It's a more of a self-organized activity than a school team. Of course there's coaches and stuff like that, but it's not like you get a scholarship or something for doing it. Do it out of your own initiative. Yeah. This girl's go. Oh yeah. And then last one is the El Cerrito Aquatic Masters team. And I did not put not even a foot in a pool for approximately 6 years, somewhere between 5 and 6 years, approximately 6 years. And then it's like, I wonder if I remember it. And I was just as fast, and I still had my technique and my form, and I was like, dang, it really is a muscle memory sport. And so that was kind of cool. So I did that in 2018. Yes, before my birthday. So it's 25 years old. And so that's it so far, my swimming history.